My name is Jaime Yesir Romero Gonzalez. I am 37 years old. I live in Bogota, Colombia. I speak Spanish. I work as correspondence coordinator at Envía Colbanes. I like to listen to music. I don't like loneliness. I study industrial engineer at the UNAT. My father's name is Julio Romero. He is a mechanic. He is 60 years old. My mother is Maria Dora Gonzalez. She is a housewife. She is 60 years old. My wife is Alejandra Belandia. She is accountant. She is 34 years old. She is a pregnant. My daughter is Sofelen Romero Belandia. She is 6 years old. She studies at the Cafan School. She is in the kindergarten. I have three brothers. Their names are Julio Romero. He is 14 years old. He is a driver. My Javier Romero is a doctor. He is 36 years old. Jefferson Bautista is a student. He is 23 years old. I have apartment with three bedrooms and a large bathroom, with private terrace where we live with my daughter and my wife. I wake up at the 5 o'clock. Wake a shower and have breakfast 6 a.m. Every day I drive my motorcycle to work. I read at the office 7 a.m. I work the 7 uh, 1 p.m. 1 p.m. I eat a lunch at 1 p.m. I leave work at the 6 p.m. I get home at the 7 p.m. I go bed the 10 p.m.